dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
There was a heavy presence of security operatives as palace chiefs, members of Benin royal family, priests, priestesses, and well-wishers of the Oba of Benin, His Royal Highness Omonobanedo Ukwa on Thursday stormed the Edo State High Court Saple Road, where the suit challenging the authority of the Oba over the status of Iniege is being challenged by some of them who have been suspended. Moving on, we have the Edo State government on Thursday said that there has no court matter with the Oba W0RŽT, the Oba of Benin, Omonobanedo Ukwa. But guys, before we proceed, welcome back to this wonderful channel to bring you back-to-back updates and information as it hot. In case it's the first time of joining us on this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. Because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. So guys, let's dive into the main gist. There was a heavy presence of security operatives as palace chiefs, members of Benin royal family, priests, priestesses, and well-wishers of the Oba of Benin, His Royal Highness Omonobanedo Ukwa Oba W0RŽT, on Thursday stormed the Edo State High Court, Saple Road, where the suit challenging the authority of the Oba over the status of Iniege is being challenged by some of them who has been suspended. The atmosphere in the court premises was so crowded that hundreds of people were not allowed into the court premises. So the two suspended Iniege, Professor Gregory Akinzoa and Chief Edonwoye, have dragged the Oba and the state government to court as defendants in the suit marked B/250 OS/2023, where they claim that the appointment as traditional chiefs enjoys recognition by the Edo state government and they were duly registered under Section 25(2) of the Traditional Rulers and Chieftaincy Law. They also rely on Section 28 of the same Traditional Rulers and Chieftaincy Law to state that only the state executive council may sanction them if they were found wanting, noting that the Oba has no right to usurp the power conferred by law on the state executive council. So when the suit came for hearing yesterday in Court 6, the presiding judge, Justice Peter Akihoro, admitted that Benin Traditional Council, BTC as a party in a suit to become the third defendant, after the state government and Oba W0RŽT, that ruling was in response to an application filed by the first defendant counsel, Prof. Yemi George, Prof. Adoba Omoroge, and his team that the BTC should be joined in the suit. So Justice Akira directed party in the suit, Edo State government representing the State Attorney General and State Commission for Justice, Oba W0RŽT, Prof. Gregory Akinzoa, and Edonwoye, who were both represented by their counsel led by Dr. Sage, who had objected to the motion through the counsel of Oba W0RŽT to amend their relevant document in the case to reflect the decision. So while the other party in the suit aligned with the first defendant counsel that the BTC be joined, the claimant through the counsel Dr. Bayowe prayed the court not to list the BTC as a party in the suit and urged the court to award costs against Oba of Benin in favor of the claimant. But Justice Akihiro turned down the prayer and heard that the race is not for the swift or the battle for the strong. So if they were bringing in the traditional council as necessary, that he don't see this as a problem. Since they have brought the Oba to court, that he don't think that they can shut down any party, that let them come in and fight their processes. He further adjourned in the case to 15 July 2024 in the absence of any injection. Now the government hereby appeal to all parties in the matter, being blood relative, to work together and withdraw the matter from the court and being a process of dialogue towards the amicable resolution of the dispute. Honestly, there has been a claim in some quarters that the suspended Inoge were being urged by people in government to challenge their suspension on ground that it was only the state executive council that has the power to suspend them and not the Oba of Benin, despite being the appointing authority. So now people they talk say now Obaseki take Oba of Benin to court. They said this is definitely the work of opposition party trying to ruin the chances of honorable leader Asu Ihodalo, that their grief chief was the people that took Oba to court, not Obaseki. That APC should well don't know that all APC knows how to do propaganda. So social media reports suggest that there's a current court case initiated by the government against the Reverend traditional rulers, a situation the state government described as the hard work of the enemies of the state. But in the statement, the special advisor of media project to Governor Godwin Obaseki, Cruz Osage, urged residents of the state and the general public to disregard the report. So that the Edo state government has no case in court against their Reverend Royal Father, Omonobanedo Kwakbolokbolo Obeweritu, the Oba of Benin. That the rumor making rounds on social media of an impending court case is the hard work of enemies of the state and it should be disregarded. As a matter of fact, in the matter being referenced by the purveyor of the fake news that the Edo state government is the defendant, which means the Edo state government is being sued, that the Edo state government maintain a cordial relationship with the royal palace and hold the Omonobanedu Kwakbolokbolo Obeweritu Ogidigan in high esteem. According to the governor's spokesperson, he said that the rumor is fabricated, fake, and it should be disregarded in its entirety. He reiterated that the state government's commitment to sustaining a harmonious relationship with all stakeholders in the state. My people, but matter dey court between Obaseki and Oba. I dey ask, between Edo state government and the palace, yes or no? If no matter, how come you guys are the defendants? Might be the question. They say Oba no dey go transfer, so Governor Obaseki and his collaborators should desist from his sacrilege that Edo no be Kano, Sokoto, so he cannot dethrone their traditional empire. My question is, if the state government is the defendant and is the one being sued, who then sued the Oba of Benin? Una get case with Oba or not? That be the question we want to know. I think this is political. It is election time again. I think the palace should respond to the government claim. If otherwise, that's the truth. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. The best to this nation using King Oba of Benin to cash cruise. And they're telling us it's rumor. Now, so true story they start from rumor. That be the cocoa. So guys, let me know what you think about this. Once again, thank you so much for staying with us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. Because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying with us. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for staying with us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your next, stay safe guys. Bye.